Pocahontas and the Spirit of the Forest. Once upon a time, in a magical forest filled with towering pine trees and shimmering streams, there lived a young Native American princess named Pocahontas. She was known throughout the land for her deep connection to nature and her ability to communicate with the animals that called the forest home. One crisp winter morning, Pocahontas set out to decorate the tallest pine tree in the forest with colorful ribbons and sparkling ornaments. As she climbed higher and higher, she couldn't help but notice that the usually bustling sounds of the forest had grown eerily quiet. The chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves were noticeably absent, leaving her feeling a sense of unease. Her loyal animal friends, Meeko, the mischievous raccoon, and Flit, the spirited hummingbird, sensed her unease and followed her up the tree. They discovered mysterious tracks leading to the base of the tree, where a strange, glowing sap had begun to seep from the bark. Pocahontas knew that something was amiss in the forest, and she resolved to uncover the source of this strange occurrence. Following the tracks deeper into the heart of the forest, Pocahontas and her animal companions came upon a clearing where a towering figure stood sentinel. It was an ancient forest guardian, a spirit of the land who had long ago been tasked with protecting the fragile balance of nature. But now he was awakening from his slumber, his anger palpable in the air. Pocahontas approached the guardian cautiously, her heart filled with a mixture of fear and determination. She spoke to him in a gentle voice, asking him why he was so troubled. The guardian's voice rumbled like thunder, as he recounted a broken promise that had been made long ago, a promise to protect the forest and all its inhabitants. As Pocahontas listened, she realized that the guardian longed to see the forest cared for as it once was, to see the animals and plants living in harmony once again. She knew that she had to help him fulfill his wish, to restore the balance of the forest and bring peace back to the land. With Meeko and Flit by her side, Pocahontas set out to plant seeds and tend to the forest, working tirelessly to renew its beauty and vitality. The guardian watched in silence, his anger slowly giving way to a sense of awe and gratitude as he witnessed the princess's love and dedication to the land. Days turned into weeks, and the forest began to bloom once more, its colors vibrant and alive. The towering pine tree that Pocahontas had decorated now glowed brighter than ever, its magic a reminder of nature's resilience and the power of gratitude. As the sun set on the forest, Pocahontas stood before the guardian, a smile on her face and a sense of peace in her heart. The ancient spirit reached out a hand to her, a gesture of thanks and reconciliation. In that moment, Pocahontas knew that she had fulfilled her destiny, that she had brought harmony back to the land and earned the guardian's trust once more. And as the stars twinkled overhead and the animals sang their evening songs, Pocahontas knew that she would forever be a guardian of the forest, a protector of its magic and beauty for all time. And so, the princess and her animal friends lived happily ever after, their bond with the land stronger than ever before.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.